Hello, welcome back to another video. I've just got another quick swatch video for you today because I got these Born Pretty flakies in the post today. So these are the numbers. I'll just show you all the codes on them. I did actually write on the top of the tubs with a Sharpie just what numbers they were because there's nothing on the pot at all. So once you take them out of the packet, you've got no reference to what numbers they are. So it's important you do that. These aren't the chameleon flakies, they're called Colourful Pailette flakies. I think that's how you pronounce it. They actually look either silvery or white, whereas the chameleon ones are quite dark, and these don't rub into a no wipe top coat, which I didn't realise at first. I did try and do that and it didn't work. So these you have to put on a sticky layer of gel, so your inhibition layer on your gel polish, or just use regular polish that's tacky and it'll stick to it, and then just top coat over the top. So number one is silvery, whereas the others are all white, and as you can tell I've got 1, 2, 4 and 5. For some reason I had 2 of the number 2 sent to me and no number 3, so I don't know what happened there. It was supposed to be a set of 4, but I did get 4 pots, so there's no problem with that. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to put on the left side all the flakies quite close together, so quite compacted. And then on the right side of the pop stick, I'm just trying to do it a bit more spaced out, so you can see the two looks. So this is number 1. It's sort of a reddish brown with hints of green when you turn it into the light. I forgot to mention as well, the gel polish that I'm using is the Venalisa Gel Polish. I'm using black and white to show you on both colours for each one. And that's on my previous swatch video, and I do recommend that polish. It's really good. It's just 1 coat coverage, so that's brilliant. Here is what it looks like inside the pot, just before I put it onto the white for you. So just going to put some music on now and go through all the swatches for you, and then I'll come back to you at the end. So it's nice, but not my favourite one. The next up is number 2, and this is like a green, much more green, but when it's on the white, it's a lovely pink colour. It's really, really nice over white. And it does shift to blue a little bit, but it's mostly green. So that's another nice one. Okay, so here they are together in all of the pairs, the black and the white for each number. And number 1, as I said earlier, it's like a golden colour. And when it shifts to green, but when it's on the white, it's just, you can see a few colours shifting there, blue and pink, but really it's just silver. Next is number 4, and this is the blue one. I think this is my favourite one. I love this blue. So yeah, that's a really, really nice blue. And as you can see, when they're top coated, they do look a lot nicer than they do when they're just patted onto that sticky layer. Now over the white, it doesn't look that amazing. You can see a few colour shifts there, but it does actually, you can see the blue in, it's hard to see it on the camera, but in real life it does look blue over the white, so that's nice. You just can't see it on there. This next one is, it's like a purpley pink colour. There's greens and blues mixed in with it as well, so I really like this one. And it's nice over the black or the white. So yeah, I do like that one. That's another one of my favourites. So this one and the blue one are definitely, I'm going to use again. So I'm also going to do a design video with these on my nail trainer hand, I think. I'm going to use just a black with the blue, I think, and then I'm going to do a French design with some of the flakies on the white part, which I think will really stand out. So that'll be coming up soon. If you want to see the video where I actually put the design on my nails that I've got on when I'm doing this video, I'll link that at the end as well. So here they are all together, top coated, and you can see the colour shift there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.